I have a 2022 GP SVHO, and I know it's not really made for riding with passengers, but when I have the wife or kids on the back, it tends to lean to one side. It does have response. Go faster. Go faster. You're going slow. It's a planing hull, and you're not at plane. You have a hot rod, and it's not at plane. Go faster. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.